Kammok Dragonfly is an ultralight, nearly invisible bug net designed to shield you from disease-carrying insects. And with a knotless setup, you'll rest bug-free in a jiffy. Dragonet material provides superior strength, breathability, and 360-degree protection for less than 10 ounces of weight. With thousands of holes per square inch, even micro bugs like those pesky no-see-ums won't get you. The horizontal zipper now has 2 YKK zipper pulls, making for an easy entry and exit. Cavernous interior space provides plenty of headroom between you and the net while sitting up, and there are integrated gear loops on the inside of the ridgeline which allow you to hang lightweight accessories overhead. No more fumbling with knots in the dark. Set up with lightning speed using the ridgeline's built-in line lock tensioners and cord hooks. High visibility reflective tracers are woven into the 3mm ridgeline cord, making camp easier to navigate in the dark. The attached stuff sack is made from our water and abrasion-resistant diamond shell fabric and can store small accessories when the Dragonfly is in use. As with all Kammok gear, your Kammok Dragonfly is covered under our lifetime warranty. Should anything go awry, we've got your back. Check under the use label for your unique product ID to register your product and activate your lifetime warranty at kammok.com/register.
Introducing the Go Camping Hammock 2.0. Elevate your comfort, whether you're camping or just hanging around. In 2015, we launched the Go Camping Hammock. We've enhanced the design while keeping all the features that made the original so comfortable, durable, and portable. It quickly converts, so you can use it with or without the net. We've increased the length of the two-way zipper so you can flip the net out of the way when it's not needed. The net can be stowed away with the 3 hooks and loops. The zipper has been upgraded to YKK brand, the world's best zipper maker. When it comes to hammocks, comfort is king. This design has been expert tested and proven to be extremely comfortable. Its 11-foot length flattens out your body position and reduces uncomfortable pressure points compared to shorter hammocks. Its 64-inch width allows you to lay at a strong diagonal angle, which most experts agree is the most comfortable way to sleep in a hammock. The 2.0 features a built-in structural ridgeline that sets the sag of the hammock for maximum comfort every time. The ridgeline also supports the integrated bug net. Each hammock includes 4 stakes and shock cords, so you can stake out the net to create a large, tent-like space inside the hammock. Our new rapid deployment bag means you can set up your hammock super fast. It's oversized, which makes packing up a breeze. It's never been so easy to set up your hammock. New built-in hooks can be used to secure your underquilt so it stays in place all night. The 2.0 includes 2 premium aluminum carabiners. They're different colors so they can be used to mark the head end and foot end of the hammock. The 2.0 has a symmetrical design so you can use either end as the head end. Our optional quick link tree straps are simple, strong, and easy to use. With a little practice, the whole system can be set up in under 2 minutes. The 2.0 is made from the same durable, high-quality materials as the original. The body is breathable 70D nylon, and the net is high-strength polyester. Available in 2 colors, coyote brown and slate gray. The Apex is a versatile, high-quality weather shelter that will protect you and your gear from rain, wind, sun, and even snow. I designed this tarp especially for the Go Hammock, but it can be used with virtually any camping hammock on the market. It also makes a great all-purpose camping tarp or shade canopy, even when you're not using a hammock. Setup is simple with the included guy ropes and stakes. The Apex can be pitched in countless configurations to adjust to changing weather conditions. Here are just a few of the many setup modes that can be used with the Apex camping shelter. With 20 tie-out loops, the only limitation of configurations is your imagination. The Apex is made from high-strength 70D polyester fabric with a durable polyurethane coating.
Our Python 10 and 15 straps allow you to quickly and safely hang your hammock from any tree, rock, or anchor point capable of bearing your weight. Patented nano weave technology reduces weight and bulk while adding strength where you need it the most. 2 pieces of high tenacity flat polyester webbing are woven together to create each daisy chain connection point rather than being connected by a traditional bar tack stitch. This construction makes these hammock straps the lightest and strongest of their kind. Each strap boasts an industry-leading load capacity of 500 pounds. Our patented variable width technology wraps 1.5-inch wide straps around the tree, where a wider surface area better protects tree bark and meets leave no trace standards. Straps narrow to 3/4 of an inch where they connect to your hammock. These straps pack small while retaining width where it matters. Python 10s are a combined length of 20 feet with 40 points of connection. Python 15s are a combined length of 30 feet with 66 points of connection, so you can find the perfect 30-degree hang angle at any campsite. High visibility reflective stitching is woven into the webbing, making camp easier to navigate in the dark. The stuff sack is made from our water and abrasion resistant diamond shell fabric, and we've included a button snap that attaches to your ROO hammock gear loops, backpack, or ridgeline for quick access. As with all Kammok gear, your Python 10s and 15s are covered under our lifetime warranty. Should anything go awry, we've got your back.
The EST shovel. The shovel is a lightweight, packable, ultra-capable 18-in-1 hardworking tool that's the perfect companion for any adventure. The EST shovel comes with a compact carrying pouch that fits easily into any backpack. It is also easy to assemble, and its military-grade aluminum handle ensures that it won't weigh you down. We've added a durable foam-like grip that makes it fun and easy to work with. The shovel has a hardened high-carbon steel spade, so it is built to last, no matter how you use it. But it wasn't just built for adventure, because it comes with many practical and important life-saving tools. Keep it in your car or truck so that if disaster strikes, you're always ready to go. The shovel is adventure tested, from traditional camping to hiking to survival readiness. We know what it takes to make an adventure great, and tools are a big part of that. Which is why we included all of the essentials such as a shovel, knife, axe, compass, saw, fire starter, screwdriver, whistle, and more. We call it the world's most capable tool because the EST shovel is built to do it all and help you to have fun while doing it.